The Sharma law firm is a trusted truck accident lawyer in North Wilmington, Delaware, dedicated to helping victims injured in collisions involving commercial trucks, tractor-trailers, delivery vehicles, and other large commercial vehicles. Our experienced attorneys thoroughly investigate every case, preserve critical evidence, negotiate aggressively with insurance companies, and fight to recover maximum compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, rehabilitation costs, and other damages. Call our truck accident lawyer if you have any questions. Are you looking for a truck accident attorney near me? You can stop looking. You found the Sharma law firm. Why should I hire a truck accident lawyer? Truck accident cases are often more complicated than regular car accident claims because they may involve multiple liable parties, federal trucking regulations, and large insurance companies. A truck accident lawyer can investigate the crash, gather evidence, negotiate with insurers, and pursue the compensation you deserve. Who can be held liable for a truck accident? Liability may extend beyond the truck driver. Depending on the circumstances, responsible parties may include the trucking company, vehicle owner, maintenance contractor, cargo loading company, truck manufacturer, or another negligent driver. An attorney can identify all potentially liable parties. What is your service area for the North Wilmington, Delaware Law Office? Our truck accident attorneys have helped clients in North Wilmington, Barkley, Brandywine, Beaver Valley, Darley Woods, Woodacres, Ardentown, Arden, Afton, Westbright, Grenoble, Williamhurst, Winley, Benton, Ashbourne Hills, Delaware. Where is your North Wilmington, Delaware personal injury attorney office located? We are located at 2500 Grubb Road No. 134, Wilmington, Delaware 19810. Our phone number is 302-403-6840. Visit our website, www.amonsharmalaw.com/north/wilmington-personal-injury-lawyer.